The 2017 Lincoln MKC Premier SUV. This quality used Lincoln MKC comes equipped with the standard features of a 2.0-liter inline four-cylinder engine and an automatic transmission. It also comes equipped with auto-dimming rearview mirror, parking sensors, an emergency communication system, front dual-zone air conditioning, speed-sensitive wipers, wireless phone connectivity, exterior rearview parking camera, automatic temperature control, and these are just a few of the features that make this 2017 Lincoln MKC the perfect SUV for you. For complete details or to watch more pre-owned videos, just click the link in the description below the video now or go to usedcartubes.com.